Good morning to all the viewers. So, children, how are you? I think all of you are fine. Today we are going to study class 4 environmental studies, and the lesson is a day with Nandu. Lesson 4. So, children, pay attention toward these slides. I am going to show one PowerPoint presentation to learn this PowerPoint presentation. And in this lesson we are going to learn about an elephant. Some facts are there. In the first part we are going to discuss the facts about an elephant. Okay, so listen carefully and understood it. First, that is facts about an elephant. When an elephant is going to be born, or we can say that a small baby elephant, newborn baby, its weight is about 120 kg. Elephant's calf weight is about 120 kg. Second fact, that is, elephants are social creatures. Elephants are social creatures. Social, that is the meaning of the social means they are living in a group. An elephant has an habit to live in a group. Or we can say in Hindi, जो हाथी होते हैं, हाथी एक सामाजिक प्राणी की तरह रहते हैं. जैसे कि ह्यूमन बीइंग, we are saying that human being is a social animal. Like that, elephants are also a social animal. They live in a group. जो male elephant होता है, this male weight about 12,000 kg. The weight of an elephant or an adult elephant is about 12,000 kg. 12,000 किलो weight होता है elephant का एक. An elephant is the only mammal that cannot jump. Now see the word, that is a mammal. Mammal. See, the mammal is the word. Its meaning is it's a kind of a class. You know, children, the different animals, they are classified into different classes. Number one, that is species. Second, reptiles. Then aves in the sense that is birds. And then mammal class or mammalia class. And in the mammals, those animals giving the birth to young ones, means जो directly बेबी को जन्म देते हैं, ऐसे सभी जानवर जो आते हैं मैमल्स क्लास में आते हैं. और मैमलिया. An elephant is the only mammal that cannot jump. How we can feel that? The weight of an elephant is too much heavy, and that's why an elephant cannot jump. Its trunk is about 7 feet. जो हाथी की सूंड होती है 7 फीट लंबी होती है. See this. An elephant's trunk is about 7 feet. See the different parts of an elephant body. These are the different parts. We start from the trunk. You know, this is the trunk. This is the main part of the elephant's body. Then tusk. These are the ivory teeth of an elephant. Incisor teeth. These tusks are very much useful. It helps us to protect an elephant also, as well as to carry the weight or to protect from the hunting. Then trunk is helpful for carrying for transportation or to plug the twigs of the tree. Then this is the brain part. Here is the brain of an elephant. Then ears. In the previous lesson, ear to ear, we have discussed about the fan-like ears. An elephant's ear are just like a fan. Then this is the internal system of an elephant. The skin of an elephant is too rough. Skin of an elephant is too rough. Then these are heavy feet. Then hairs are present on the tail part of an elephant body. Now children, how it will seem without a trunk? If you saw that an elephant is without a trunk, it's a very does look like this picture. See this picture. If an elephant doesn't have a trunk, it looks like this. It sucks 7.5 liter water into its trunk at a time. एक समय में जो हाथी रहता है नियर अबाउट 7.5 लीटर वाटर क्या कर सकता है, पी सकता है. Means when an elephant is going to drink water, it drinks near about 7.5 liter. An elephant can smell water 3 miles away. An elephant has the power, that is, we can say that the super sense is present in an elephant, and that super sense is smelling. Smelling super sense is there in an elephant. If an elephant is 3 miles away, then also an elephant can smell water. So बच्चों, जो भी आपको दिखाया जा रहा है इसको आपको ध्यानपूर्वक पढ़ना है, अच्छे से समझना है, ठीक है. An elephants like water very much. An elephant live in a water and spend their most of the time in water. They like to live in water or muddy places also. It has 4 teeth to chew its food with. An elephant has, there are 4 types of teeth. So incisor, then premolar, deciduous, and this tusk जो होते हैं ये इंसिजर टाइप के टीथ होते हैं. सो एलिफेंट के 4 प्रकार के टीथ होते हैं, ठीक है. और जो टीथ होते हैं वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, टस्क. एंड इट कैन हियर 9.8 किलोमीटर रेंज. मीन्स द हियरिंग सेंस इज ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट इन एन एलिफेंट. नियर अबाउट 9.8 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस पे होगा हाथी तो भी वो क्या कर सकता है, सुन सकता है. अगर कोई हंटिंग करने आता है और उसका डिस्टेंस अगर 9.8 किलोमीटर भी होगा, देन ऑल्सो एन एलिफेंट इज एबल टू लिसन द साउंड. Elephants lived in a herd. In the previous slide we have seen how an elephants are social creatures because they lived in a herd. Herd, you know, the herd is a, in English we learn that is herd is a collective noun. Herd is a collective noun. Herd means it's a kind of group. Different animals, those are lived in the herd. Different animals are living in the herd. Like in the picture you are getting, that is the deers, they live in a herd. Then some students group is known as a class. Okay, herd is a word, it indicates group, it is a kind of collective noun. A collective noun denotes a group of individuals. That is a group of students, pride, group of lions, crew, group of sailors. Now see some of the examples I am showing. These are animals living in a group. Now tell me which animals are these? These are the pigs. Those are living in a group. These are deer. Those lives in a group. See how they are living in a group. And in the family unit consists of 12 to 20 elephant. You know children, in the second slide I told an elephants are social creature. Means we can say that in their family or in their group there are 12 to 20 elephants, and in that 12 to 20 elephants, that male elephant, female elephant as well as baby elephant is also there. मीन्स उनका जो यूनिट होता है, एक ग्रुप होता है, उसमें नियर अबाउट 12 से 20 एलिफेंट होते हैं. उसमें फिर फीमेल भी आ सकती है, मेल और बेबी एलिफेंट भी आ सकते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो वन पॉइंट आई जस्ट वांट टू मेंशन हियर दैट एलिफेंट हु इज लीडिंग देयर ग्रुप और यूनिट, दैट इज अ फीमेल elephant, female oldest elephant, or it is known as matriarch. In the next slide we will see. An elephant may live as long as 70 years. You know, each and every living thing has its lifespan. So an elephant's life is about 70 to 90 years. जो एलिफेंट होते हैं या हाथी होते हैं उनकी जो लाइफ होती है नियर अबाउट 70 से 90 साल तक होती है. तो उनका लाइफ स्पैन जो एवरेज लाइफ स्पैन यहाँ पे बता रहे सर दैट इज 70 साल. एन एलिफेंट फैमिली इज रूल्ड बाय अ मैट्रियार्च. मैंने इसके पहले स्लाइड में बताया था कि जो ग्रुप होता है उनके ग्रुप को लीड करने वाली होती है वो होती है ओल्डेस्ट फीमेल, and that oldest female is known as matriarch. Oldest female is known as matriarch. Now see this elephant. Elephant is the largest, one of the most powerful and intelligent animals. Even though blue whales are the largest animals for they grow up to 30 meters, elephants top the list as far as land animals are concerned. A fully grown elephant reaches a height of 4 meters and a weight of 6 metric tons. The most remarkable feature of the elephant is its tusk. ये जो दिख रहा है ना पिक्चर में, this is the tusk part of an elephant and trunk. This tusk and trunk are very much remarkable or valuable or important part of an elephant. The tusk, in fact, are two of its upper teeth that have grown on the outside and become enlarged. A tame or trained elephant uses its tusks to support heavy loads, while wild elephant use them as a weapons of attack. And tusks are made of ivory, which is highly valuable. So, children, you are getting the point. Means this tusk and trunk both are very much important for an elephant. This tusk, in fact, teeth that have grown on the outside and become enlarged, means it is helpful for to protect themselves from hunting. जो टस्क होता है एलिफेंट का वो हंटिंग जो शिकारी से बचाता भी है, ठीक है, और एज वेल एज जो ट्रंक होता है और सपोर्ट भी करता है हेवी लोड उठाने के लिए. और जो ट्रंक होता है उससे भी वो क्या कर सकते हैं अपना जो हेवी लोड होता है या वुडन ब्लॉक जो होते हैं उसको उठाने के लिए भी क्या मदद होती है एलिफेंट को. हमने देखा है कि डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एनिमल्स आर यूज फॉर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑल्सो एंड अमंग दैट द एलिफेंट इज ऑल्सो यूज फॉर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. ठीक है. So the children that different animals nowadays you are seeing that the animals are killed by the people for their own purpose. Now this is not a good thing because the protection of an animal around us, it is very important for saving the nature. So if a person is going to kill an animal, it is the against of a law. Hunting of an elephant for tusk is totally banned, and it is for tusk that elephants are hunted down and killed. Even though articles made of ivory are banned in most of the countries, they are available in the black market, and this leads to elephant poaching. जो poaching means क्या पता है क्या आपको? Means elephant की जो parts है उसको बेचना, उसको पहले तो जो इसकी hunting करना elephant की, और उसके जो पार्ट्स होते हैं जैसे टस्क जो होते हैं टस्क को निकाल कर उससे क्या बनाए जाते हैं डिफरेंट डिफरेंट आर्टिकल्स बनाए जाते हैं, चीज़ें बनाई जाती है और उसको मार्केट में क्या किया जाता है हाईली प्राइस में सेल किया जाता है. लेकिन ये क्या है अगेंस्ट ऑफ द लॉ है. द ट्रंक इज अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग फीचर ऑफ एन एलिफेंट. इट सर्व एज एन आर्म एंड हैंड फॉर पिकिंग अप ट्विग्स एंड लीव्स एंड पुशिंग देम इनटू इट्स माउथ. द ट्रंक इज एक्चुअली द एलिफेंट्स लेंथ, नोज एंड अपर लिप. एक प्रकार से जो ट्रंक है एक एलिफेंट का नोज का काम करता है, पता है आपको. एंड इट इज अ थिक एंड वेल प्रोटेक्टेड ऑन द आउटसाइड बट हैज अ टेंडर इनसाइड. एक प्रकार से क्या करता है वो प्रोटेक्ट करता है एलिफेंट को. सो चिल्ड्रन, आई थिंक वट एवर वी डिस्कस इन दिस लेसन, दिस इज द पार्ट 1. सो द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द लेसन वी विल डिस्कस. ओके, सो आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड इट. Just go watch this video 2 to 3 times and please click on like and share this video. Okay, so thank you children and enjoy your day.